Hi, I'm Ali speaking on behalf of Coors Lighting. We produce wall lights, garden lights, lawn lights, and so on, and we can easily solve your problem. Our company has more than 17 years of experience. We have self-owned metal workshops and powder coating workshops to keep production fast, and we are a nominated supplier by Amazon's top 10 sellers. Now, I'd like to recommend to you one of our hot selling products. Dun dun! This is the one wall lamp K3204. So let's check some more details. First, we're going to check the material. The body is made from die casting aluminium. It uses a powder coat finish, and it also uses clean glass diffuser with silicone gaskets. The size is 150 by 200 by 80 millimeters. It's powered by a 12-watt LED. All right. And you guys must know that this light has a high quality driver, and it's got an anodized aluminium reflector, and it also has 30,000 hours of lifetime. And another part of it, it's rust proof, waterproof, it's IP54 waterproof, and it can meet the needs for various usage scenarios. Now it can be applied to both outdoors and indoors, home, stadiums, villas, villages, you name it. Now, if you guys worried about how to install it, you don't need to worry. It's actually really easy to install. All you need to do is fasten the wiring, as you can see, and the light to your household electrical wiring, and screw the light where you want it to be installed. So we also have a product of the same series. Dun dun! As you can see right here, product of the same series. You can see the body is made from same material, and it also has the same kind of glass, right? Our products have obtained RoHS ETL CE certificates, and we also provide ODM services. So feel free to send your requirements. We offer low MOQs. Just follow us and connect with us.